Hello my beauties, it's your girl Ada and you're welcome to my channel. If it's your first time of watching, please feel free to subscribe, like and leave your comment below if you find any of my video interesting. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make face wash, and in this face wash I'm going to use two major ingredients which is very beneficial to the skin. I will be using honey. This is raw organic honey. Honey is very good to the skin. It's a great source of acne treatments. It can boost the skin and help create a glow. If you have acne, this is a good source of treating your acne and prevent future acne. And the other thing is ginger. Ginger is also good. It has major anti-aging property which can slow down signs of aging. And I'm going to use my powders. I'm using alpha arbutin powder. This is a great source of removing dark spots and scars from your skin. And my vitamin B3 powder. I will be using glycerin. For those of you that have dry skin, glycerin is a great source to add moisture to your skin. And I will add carrot oil. And this is the castile soap. This is pure castile soap, raw and organic. There is nothing added to this soap. There is no flavor, there is no color, there is no additive in this soap. So you have to figure out any kind of additive you're going to add to your soap, anything that you know that is very good to the skin. I'm using honey and ginger because I know they are very good to the skin, in especially our face. Okay guys, let me take you to my workstation and let's get busy. Okay guys, this is the juice which I extracted from the ginger. This is it. And now I'm going to pour the honey out. This is the honey that we'll be using. This is it guys. And this is our castile soap. You just have to pour your castile soap in. I need 200 ml. Okay, and now we have to mix it because the honey is very thick, so you have to mix it well. This is it guys. And now I'm going to put the powders. Half a spoon of my alpha arbutin powder. And half a spoon of my vitamin B powders. And you have to stir and mix. And now I'm going to add the ginger juice to it. is my carrot oil. And the glycerin. It will help lock in moisture on your skin. And now I have to add my tea tree essential oil. Just a few drops will go a long way. And the vitamin E oil. Just a little will go a long way. Okay guys, this is it. Your face wash is ready. This is very effective. It's going to moisturize your skin and treat acne, remove dark spots and scars from your skin. So now I'm going to add my preservative because of the ginger juice that I added to it. So you must preserve your soap. Just a few drops will go a long way. That is it. Okay guys, your face wash is ready. It's ready to be used now. I'm just going to export it to my container. I got 3 containers out of the soap I made, and let me show you how it lathers. This soap can last you for 6 months, if not more. So you can see guys, you just need to add a little bit of water and wash your face. This is going to glow your skin and give you a radiant complexion. Okay guys, see you on my other video. I love you. Please don't forget to subscribe.